Hello guys, Radhe Radhe, welcome back to my another vlog. And now I am having breakfast after completing all my work, and I have decided that I will make this vlog in English only, guys. So look what I am having for breakfast. I am having papayas, guava, and one apple. And I eat this apple raw only. I don't cut it because I like it like this only. And I have given papaya to Dolly also, and I have told her don't eat in bed. Sit on what we call it. Sit on ground and eat it there only. That is why she is eating like this, guys. Look at her, so poor girl, Dolly. We have this dog Ollie, and you know what? In everywhere in our home, you will find her hairs everywhere in our home. I have an idea. I can do one ASMR video while eating fruits. These apples are really juicy, you can see it. It's a medicine, guys. It's a medicine for my digestion. I'm full and I have this much left. मैं आपको कैसे दिखाऊं how to show. I have this much left in my plate, but now I'm full. But I guess now I won't eat chapatis. And today I'm feeling like I'm getting a me time after so long, because it's been so many days that I was busy in household work or some vlog YouTube work, but I don't have any video to edit today. But yes, so today I can continue with this book, another chapter of this book, and that is Bhagwan Shri Krishna ka Janma, birth of Lord Krishna. Okay. श्री भगवान प्रत्यक्ष तथा अप्रत्यक्ष रूप में सर्वत्र विद्यमान है। वे इस सृष्टि के भीतर भी हैं और बाहर भी। वे केवल इस सृष्टि में गर्भोत्कर्षाई विष्णु के रूप में नहीं रहते, वे प्रत्येक परमाणु के भीतर भी हैं। परमाणु का अस्तित्व उनकी उपस्थिति के कारण ही है। जो मूर्ख होगा वही इस निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचेगा कि जब परमेश्वर प्रकट होते हैं तो वे पदार्थ की परिस्थितियों को स्वीकार करते हैं। यदि प्रत्यक्ष रूप में वे भौतिक शरीर ग्रहण करते हैं तो भी वे भौतिक परिस्थितियों के अधीन नहीं रहते। अतः श्री कृष्ण अवतरित हुए और उन्होंने श्री भगवान के प्रकट तथा अप्रकट होने के समस्त दोषपूर्ण निष्कर्षों को ध्वस्त कर दिया है। गुण का प्रतिनिधित्व। Guys, now I'm having kind of brunch, chutney, and this is some sabji and one roti, because today I had so much fruits in breakfast that I was not feeling to eat chapati after that. But because this sabji is very 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 tasty, that is why I'm eating one chapati. Really, it's very tasty. Some bean sabji, I don't know what we call it. My God, other days I don't have time for myself, but today I have so much time for myself. Even I don't know what to do. Seriously, still half an hour left, and I don't know what to do now. Seriously, I don't want to see reels or YouTube. I don't want to see that. I don't have anything to do at home, so now I'm just going to my shop because I'm getting bored. Look what all we got at shop. So many vegetables, green. Watering them to keep them fresh, guys. Summer season has started. Holi has finally came, guys. Look, the colors. So many different colors are there. Today she is making tomato ki jholi and rice. टमाटर 30 रुपए किलो। लौकी है ये।
इस टाइम पे ऐसी मिलेगी ना।
हाँ आजकल ऐसे।
ना उनके लिए चाहिए।
हाँ ले जाओ, अच्छी है वैसे लौकी, हमने भी बनाई थी। You know what? I just want to go on a ride on bike, but I don't know how to ride a bike, guys. And I want to go on a bike ride. Just look at their heads, all pink, everything pink. Wow, Holi has came. मन नित्य श्याम तुम रोगुन गावे, राधा राधा कही हर्षावे, मुरली में नित नाम उचारे, तब कारण लीला वपुधारे, प्रेम स्वरूपिणी अति सुकुमार, श्याम प्रिया वृषभानु दुलारी, नवल किशोरी अति विधाम धुति लघु लगे कोटि रति कामा गौरांगी, शशि नंदक बदना सुबग चपल नियारे, नैना जावकी उद्योग पंकज चरणा, नुपुर ध्वनि प्रीतम मन हरना, संतत सहचरी सेवा करे, महामोद मंगल मन भरे, रसकिन जीवन प्राण आधारा, राधा नाम सकल सुख सारा, अगम गोचर नित्य स्वरूपा, ध्यान रत्न छिदन ब्रज भूपा, उज्जो जासु हंस गुण का, कोटि कुमा ब्रह्मारम, राधा कृष्ण कृष्ण है राधा, एक रूप दो प्रीति अगाधा, श्री राधा मोहन मनोहरणी, जन सुखदायक प्रफुल्लित बदनी, कोटिक रूप धरे नंद नंदा, दर्श करण हित गोकुल चंदा, रास कैल करके मेरे जावे, मान करो जब अति दुख पावे, प्रफुल्लित होति दर्श जब पावे, विद विद बांधि तो विनय स्नान, वृंदा विपिन स्वामिनी राधा, लीला वपुतव अमित अकीर्ति कुवरी लाडली राधा, सुमृत सकल मिटे भव बाधा, नाम मंगल मूल न सावन, त्रिविध ताप हर हरि मन भावन, राधा नाम परम सुखदाई, भुजती कृपा करी अतुराई, विषुमति नंदन पीछे फिरई, जो कोई राधा नाम सुमिरई, करहु निरंतर वास मैं, श्री वृंदावन धाम। श्री राधे, श्री राधे। Guys, Radha ji is a goddess, and like Hanuman Chalisa, there is also one Radha Chalisa. Okay, so there are many benefits of chanting Radha Chalisa. So if possible, then you should also do Radha Chalisa once a day or once in a week. Okay, once in a week you should do Radha Chalisa. You should. I just had lunch, and from last 3-4 days I was willing to eat ras with chai, but I took it now, and I thought to have some snacks. I took chai, and you know what? These rasks, I can't eat them now. Aunts, guys, they're spoiled now. They are spoiled. I can't eat them now. Guys, my sister came back home from office. How was your day, sister? Look at her hairs. My God, wow, very straight hairs. Please speak in English. Today's vlog is in English, guys.
No.
Please speak in English.
I don't know English. मुझे English नहीं है.
Your English is very nice. Please. Everybody was appreciating you that day. Yes. It's true only.
I'm looking like Chudel.
Now speak it in English. Okay, you are looking like Chudal. What we call Chudal? Which?
Guys, I came back from office, and again they.
What? They want. थोड़ी दूर से बना.
Like this.
दे मतलब क्या होता है वो? ये लोग मुझसे काम करवा रहे ऐसा.
They कराएंगे work
They are
from
making me
me.
do work. They are making me do work. I just came back home ऐसे. Now
Yes.
again repeat telecast.
No repeat telecast.
This is my Pyare Lalla, and this is also my Pyare Lalla, and where is this is also my Pyare Lalla, and this is our Maya Mataji, and this is look at him, he is our Pyare Lalla ji. Guys, look, I bought this dress of Krishna ji from Blinkit, and this one also is from Blinkit only.
And now I will just go and prepare chapatis for dinner, and my sister will cook some vegetables. I don't know which one, but she will cook some vegetables for dinner, and I will be making chapatis, guys. And then I will do live at 9 p.m. So I think it's the time to end the vlog here only, guys. So did you like the vlog in English or you like the vlogs in Hindi? Please do let me know. And Radhe Radhe aap sabko, everyone, Radhe Radhe. And have a good time. Bye bye. Meet you in next vlog.